What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another video. We are installing the max jack. We've went ahead and we finished drilling the holes on the concrete for the left side or the right side, and now we are gonna do the left side, and then we're just gonna anchor them in. On another note, what's making it even harder is that I have a house hammer drill, but it's not strong enough. It's name brand Craftsman, and it's not strong enough. So that means for each hole I'm spending at least 3 to 4 minutes, and that's with the trigger pressed on, and just, you know, it takes time because it's weak, it's not strong enough. Gonna put 3 washers so they don't bend that easy. I'm sorry, 5/8 of an inch. Let's see. There. Depth, how deep it is. And it looks like it's in a perfect spot. And we're not gonna tighten it just now. Just install them and then tighten them down so that they can open up all at the same time. And we'll use individual ones, washers instead of 3. Next one. Oh shit. 5/8. Once I see it spinning on the top, I'll just go ahead and put the other 24. Right now it's not spinning. Just... Alright, started to spin. Now we'll go ahead and add this top one. And hopefully it'll hold. My garage is a mess. Everything is just dusty, man. This is the machine that I was using. Look at the clutch for the 2GR. Everything is just dusty, man. This is gonna take me at least 2 days to clean up. Look at the front. It is dusty. The whole windshield, everything is dusty. Even the 2GR engine bay is dusty. This is crazy, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, all dusty. Un video. But yeah, guys, everything is dusty. So, yeah, we got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of work to do, guys. The good thing is all the anchors are installed. The system is bled. The hoses are running through the ceiling. No leaks whatsoever. I did bleed the system. Working perfectly. We get the bolts tomorrow. Once we get the bolts, install it and put on a car. Let's go ahead, start the cleaning process. Should take me about a day or two. And then welcome to my garage. The new and improved 2.0 my garage. Let's go. But plans for the garage are very simple. Not much left to do. Of course, remove everything from here. Once I get the shed, we're gonna go ahead and get a shed, put it in the back, remove all this, remove those 2 ladders, and remove a few things here, extra stuff that I don't need. And this is gonna be done by the summer. What else? Oh yeah, we're gonna be installing a power washer setup, vacuum setup, and air compressor setup right over here. It's gonna be super nice, and that's gonna be the final things that we do, because this garage is pretty much done. And maybe, even maybe, right here in the corner, we'll do like a case, a showcase, where we'll put all this stuff here, all these books, all these toys, RC cars and whatnot. So the only thing that we're missing is AC compressor setup, vacuum setup, power washing setup, and I forgot the AC, or maybe a fan, I'm not sure. And then everything else is just basic stuff. But yeah, guys, that's what I got for today. Hey, get your ass inside right now. Get inside. Get your ass inside right now. Let's go. Watch when I say N-O-W. Now. She knows. She knows. But yeah, guys, this is my garage. Thanks for watching, subscribing. man, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. But guys, I'll catch you in the next one. You already know. We're gonna start working on this one next week. So stay tuned for that. Before that, we do have to change the brakes, fluids on the Lexus. So yeah, we'll start working on this one in 2 weeks. That's what I got, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Dale.